Hello, my name is Brandon Ivey, and welcome to Three Course Crypto, the online education for the new digital economy. Well, let's get one thing understood. Most people are going to fail financially. 93% don't have good salaries. 95% will not succeed in business. Most people don't have money to grow a business. Most people don't have time to grow a business. And most people don't know what to do with the money that they actually even have. So who am I to even be speaking on this? So first and foremost, as a disclaimer, I am not a licensed financial advisor to be giving financial advice. I just teach education for crypto, and you take that knowledge and information and make your own informed decision. But I am a husband and a father first. I'm a graduate of Morehouse College from 1998, 22 years experience and a seven-figure earner in the direct selling industry, former vice president of sales and marketing for several companies, 4 years experience in the cryptocurrency space, and a consultant and creator of educational content for crypto companies. Over the last 22 years in the direct selling space, I've become a top earner and producer in almost every company that I'm a part of. And that success has allowed me to retire when I turned 36 years old from corporate America, and I've been able to enjoy life by living a flip-flop lifestyle, meaning that myself and my wife started to travel all over the world. Here's a couple of pictures of us when we went to Santorini, and Grand Cayman Islands, London, Buckingham Palace, Corfu, Venice, France. In fact, this little water bottle behind me is from France. Because of COVID, we're not able to travel like we want to, but we're going to get back to that very soon. A couple of years ago, I retired from the direct selling space and moved into the cryptocurrency space because I saw friends of mine that were making a lot of money in something called Bitcoin. And I never heard of Bitcoin. I didn't know what it was. And when I asked my friends about it, they said, hey, I'm making a lot of money on Bitcoin. So, well, how does it work? They said, I don't know. It just keeps going up. Well, I was smart enough to know that it's not just going to keep going up. Eventually, it's going to come down. So I started to look for educational content, and I couldn't find any out there. I had to educate myself. It took me 6 months going on YouTube and going on Google. I found a lot of information, and a lot of it was wrong. But after 6 months, I was confident enough to really get into the crypto space, and I started with $30. And I was able to flip that $30 into a good sizable income in a short period of time. And after the 2017 cryptocurrency, I say a Bitcoin correction, where it went from $20,000 all the way down. In 2018, we decided to create our own crypto educational courses. And we attempted to start a company, and Cryptogenics ended up running KGX and never actually got launched off the ground. During times, I started doing Bitcoin boot camps around the country. And I was in, Philadelphia, Chicago, Dallas, Tampa, Florida, Austin, Houston, Seattle, Vegas, Los Angeles. And pretty soon, I can't wait to get back out there and doing Bitcoin boot camps for the community. But we also, because we weren't able to really launch those educational courses, I became a cryptocurrency consultant for different companies. So I created crypto content for a company called KGX, also for a company called Coinbit Pro. And we just finished doing a course for the University of Nigeria. And the continent of Africa, it is getting very, very in demand for people that want cryptocurrency education. So I share this with you to show that I am certified. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm talking about in this space. Now, I want you to think about this. The digital currency is the new financial revolution. It's the new financial revolution. You might have heard of Uber, a transportation company that owns no cars. Amazon, the world's largest retail chain that has no stores. Well, we have Bitcoin. The Bitcoin went from 0.008 cents to $20,000 a coin. It is the best performing asset of the last 10 years. And it's no fun being on the outside looking in. I remember the first time I heard about Bitcoin, I thought it was nerds playing in their mom's basement with Monopoly money. I didn't know. So that's why we created Three Course Crypto to have the solution for you. In 2009, Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoin, the world's first global decentralized cryptocurrency. In 2009, Bitcoin's value was less than a penny. In 2010, it was valued at 40 cents to the US dollar. 2016, it was valued at $600. 2020, it started to fluctuate around $10,000. And if you would have invested $100 in Bitcoin in 2010, today it will be worth over $2.5 million. So here are questions that people ask all the time. What is Bitcoin? Well, it is simply a decentralized peer-to-peer crypto digital currency. It's universal in value. It's finite in amount. There's only going to be 21 million ever in existence. So as supply goes up, demand goes up, there's less supply, the value is going to go high. It is borderless. You can trade and transfer Bitcoin from anywhere around the world without the need of a government, a bank, or Western Union. Is it real? Absolutely. Like I said, it's the best performing asset of the past decade. Am I too late? No. Even though Bitcoin's 11 years old. You know, this is where the internet was around 1994, 95. But a lot of people want to know, how do I buy it? And more importantly, can I spend it? So welcome to 3 Course Crypto, which is the global training center where we are the platform that's going to teach the world about Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, ICOs, market trends, the blockchain, and much, much more. We want to teach you everything you need to know so that when you enter this space, you're going to have a basic understanding and a functional way to get through the cryptocurrency space. So all of our training is done by streaming video. You're going to learn how to buy your first Satoshi. You don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You're going to learn how to store your Bitcoin safely in crypto wallets. Learn how to purchase and sell with Bitcoin. Learn about blockchain technology. Learn how to trade cryptocurrencies. Learn how ICOs work, and much, much more. In fact, with our cryptocurrency educational courses, we have 15 lessons in 3 different courses. So 45 total: Bitcoin 101, Crypto Advanced, and how to trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. With Bitcoin 101, we have 15 lessons. This course is designed to take you through the history of Bitcoin and blockchain technology. Each video is designed to take you through a step-by-step process to know the fundamentals of the technology and how it works. Once you have completed this course, you will have a more than basic functioning understanding of blockchain, how to purchase Bitcoin, and how to use it. With Crypto Advanced, this course is designed for those of you who have gone through the Bitcoin 101 course and you want to have some basic understanding of Bitcoin and how it functions. We will dive deeper into the functional workings of cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects. You will be introduced to other top crypto coins besides Bitcoin on the market and learn about the economic ecosystem of cryptocurrencies. By the time you finish this course, you will have a clear understanding of crypto economics, the functioning roles of crypto, and how to understand the charts. You will be ready to invest in the cryptocurrency space. Now, how to trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies is our final lesson. By this point, you have an advanced understanding of the history of blockchain technology and the cryptocurrency space. You are ready to invest and build your portfolio. There is no one strategy that fits them all. This course will share multiple strategies and opportunities to become an investor in this space and how to earn a profit. There are 4 simple rules that you should follow to make sure that you trade safely and securely. Now, here's our educational packages. We've got Bitcoin 101, Crypto Advanced, and how to trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, and the cost of these courses individually is $200 each. But you can also get the bundled course to get all 3 of them for $500. We even have a referral program in place that's going to allow you to be able to earn a bonus while you are learning. Now, as a disclaimer, this is not a compensation plan. This is not MLM. This is not binary matrix or unilevel. There is no recruiting going on here. This is strictly education. But if you refer others to this education, we're going to give you a referral bonus anywhere between $50 if they purchase one of the courses by themselves, or $125 if they get a bundle pack. We even have community bonuses where this is a community that we're building here beyond just crypto education. Now we want to put you in places that's going to allow you to use that education so that it can work in your favor. So being part of this community will gain you access to participating in multiple ways of earning cryptocurrencies to build your portfolio. One of those ways is that there's a mining device called a Helium Hotspot, where this device is mining HNT coins. Currently, it is worth about $1.80. per coin. It went up 40% over the last 24 hours. But this Hotspots device is to build a network of smart cities, connecting smart cities together, which in the future I'm going to be talking more about how you can have a digital franchise opportunity within this community. So you'll be hearing more about this as we go. So the whole point with 3-Course Crypto is to learn to earn crypto. There is no guarantee other than you will lose money somewhere along the way. That is a guarantee. I cannot tell you when, where, or how much. All I can tell you that is you will, but your education will allow you to minimize your losses and maximize your profits. As a disclaimer, this information is intended for educational and training purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. As with all financial decisions, you should contact your licensed financial advisor before investing in any financial instrument. Now, I want to show off the website itself because I have a special promo for all of the individuals who were KGX members. So the website is 3coursecrypto.com. You can check it out, see what we're all about here. Now, the difference with those of you who are members from KGX, you paid $250 for the content, and you have Bitcoin 101, Crypto Intermediate, and Crypto Advanced. Well, I don't control KGX. I don't control the websites or the platform. I only gave and produced videos in the KGX ecosystem, and about 27 or 28 videos. So I've created more in my own for 3-Course Crypto, but I understand the people that they paid $250 for KGX. They don't have access to those videos anymore, so I'm going to do a special promo. Now, Bitcoin 101 is about the same. So if you had paid for Bitcoin 101, I mean, it's the same videos. It's my videos. The others, however, are different. So when you look at Crypto Advanced, it's almost a combination of Crypto Intermediate and Crypto Advanced and a couple of new videos. But the real difference is in the last set of videos, which is how to trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So these are brand new. So anybody that was in KGX, here's a special promo that I'm going to allow. If you come and you purchase how to trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies for $200, I'm going to give you all 3 courses. So if you purchase how to trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, I'm going to give you all 3 courses. So here's what you do. You click on how to trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, click on add to cart, select where you're going to, the shopping cart at the top. Then you're going to see it up here. Make sure you have the right quantity. Click on checkout, put in your name and information, and in the note, select KGX member. Select KGX member. And then once we get it, I'll be able to know, because I know KGX members, I'll be able to tell if you're a KGX member or not. And we will send you all 3 courses. Also for the referral program, if you are referring somebody and they come and they're selecting, make sure that they are putting in customer info on checkout who referred them. Make sure they put your name so that we can tie it to you so that you get your referral bonus. And make sure it's the same name that you used when you signed up for the course, and we'll get you your referral bonus. It's as simple and easy as that. So I'm going to end by playing a short 1-minute video. I like this video on our homepage. And thank you for being part of 3-Course Crypto. Brandon Ivey out. Bye-bye.
Imagine a world where everybody is connected. Imagine a world where somebody in Japan can do a transaction with somebody in the United States without high banking fees. Imagine a world no longer ruled by greedy corporate banks. There's going to come a time when we think of central banks in the same way we think about calling an operator to talk to a friend on the phone. This weird, annoying entity that came between us and the things we actually wanted. You aren't going to drown in fees anymore. You aren't going to borrow money from a bank. You aren't going to fight a half a dozen middlemen. It'll just be you and your money anywhere on earth. And once this happens, cryptocurrency could very well make the US dollar obsolete. Once people understand how easy this is and get used to it, the demand for legacy money controlled by a government and bank is going to plummet like a rock. Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency.